Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best canvas laundry bag is probably one of the most versatile and durable laundry solutions you can find, perfect for carrying your clothes to the laundromat, dorm, or even as a stylish storage option at home. In this video, we will explore what makes a great canvas laundry bag, helping you choose the perfect one to simplify your laundry routine and add a touch of style to your chores. Number 5. Simpli-Magic Canvas Tote Bags. Say goodbye to overflowing laundry baskets. These extra-large tote bags make laundry day a breeze. They're perfect for collecting, transporting, and storing your clothes. It's more than just a laundry bag. Use them for camping, storage, moving, or even as festive Santa sacks. The possibilities are endless. No more struggling with messy closures. The drawstring cinch top with cord lock makes it easy to secure your belongings. These bags are made from durable, 100% cotton canvas, ensuring long-lasting use. They're also easy to care for, simply machine wash. Make a sustainable choice. Switch to these reusable canvas bags and reduce your reliance on disposable paper or plastic bags. We're confident you'll love your new bags, but if for any reason you're not completely satisfied, just contact us. We're here to help. What we like. It can be used for various purposes, from laundry to camping. The drawstring closure makes it easy to use. If you need a durable and versatile laundry bag for multiple uses, this is the one for you. What people say. Material is thick. Great deal. The material is thick enough to carry a pumpkin. The quality was great for what I wanted, not the highest quality or the worst quality, but solidly in the middle, good enough to last a few to several years of moderate use. Good for carrying library books or a craft project around. Take an iron-on picture very well. Number 4. Urban Villa Laundry Bags. These extra-large canvas bags are perfect for all your laundry needs. Made from safe, high-quality cotton, they're gentle on delicate items and easy to carry. It's the safest material for your laundry. Toss in delicates like bras, underwear, and baby clothes without worry. Keep your clothes fresh and organized. The breathable cotton prevents musty smells and is ideal for storing seasonal items. These bags are huge. They hold 2 to 3 loads of laundry and are also great for storing toys, shoes, or other items. They're pre-washed and made to withstand machine washing. Easy maintenance, no hassle. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, simply contact us for a quick resolution. What we like. It's made from safe and absorbent cotton, perfect for delicates. Its large size can hold multiple loads of laundry. If you prioritize safety and organization for your laundry, this is a great option. What people say. It's sturdy and holds all of my laundry when it needs to go to the laundry place. The drawstring is pretty good too. Heavyweight bags so can hold lots of laundry. It's made of a strong, durable material, has a long drawstring, and will hold a lot of laundry. In fact, these bags are huge. The cord also has a locking button on it, so when you pull the bag closed, it won't open until you open it. Number 3. Canvas Duffel Bag. This is the canvas duffel bag, perfect for all your needs. It's made from tough canvas, so you know it will last. It's built to withstand daily use. You can rely on it to carry your gear wherever you go. Take it to the gym, on a camping trip, or even to the laundromat. It's perfect for any occasion. Carry it comfortably over your shoulder with the included strap. No more struggling with heavy loads. The drawstring and leather closure keep your belongings safe and secure. You can rest assured everything will stay inside. It measures 28 inches by 14 inches, providing ample space for all your essentials. You'll have plenty of room for everything you need. What we like. This bag is made from extra tough canvas and has a convenient shoulder strap. The secure closure keeps your items safe. If you need a sturdy bag for the gym or travel, this is a perfect choice. What people say. Love the size, very sturdy, great shoulder strap. Excellent for laundry or a quick trip somewhere. It'll hold at least a week's worth of clothes and personal items. Stylish-looking heavy-duty canvas laundry bag. Nice leather accents and useful carry hang strap. Sturdy drawstring top. This bag is the most durable and easy to carry for clothes. Number 2. Rothco Heavyweight Duffel Bag. It's built to last, with durable canvas construction. Perfect for your next adventure, big or small. This bag is incredibly tough and can handle whatever you throw at it. You'll appreciate its rugged reliability. Easy access to all your gear. Simply lift the top and you're ready to go. It's large enough for all your equipment. Pack it all in and hit the road with confidence. A classic and versatile color that goes with everything. It's stylish and practical. Whether you're going on a weekend trip or an epic journey, it's the perfect companion. It's reliable and ready when you are. What we like? It's built to last with heavy-duty canvas. Its rugged design can withstand tough conditions. If you're looking for an extremely durable bag for outdoor adventures, this is it. What people say. It works great and we can store the tent and poles and stakes easily in one bag without trying to refold the tent 20 times, if you know what I mean. We can fold the tent or crumble it up and throw the poles and stakes in, put the 4 holes through the pin, clip the strap in and we're good to go. The fabric and seams are built to last. The 30 by 50 size fits a 6-person nylon tent easily. Purchased 2 of these for my kids to go to sleepaway camp. Nothing is better than a large bag that can stuff 4 weeks worth of clothes, items, sunblock, bathing suits and everything in between inside. These large heavy-duty canvas bags are inexpensive, are fairly durable and should outlive their usefulness year after year. Number 1. Farm Blue XXL Duffel Bag. This extra-large duffel bag is perfect for carrying all your gear. Its durable construction ensures it will last for years to come. It's easy to store, organize, and carry all your clothes, camping gear, or hunting accessories. You'll never have to worry about running out of space again. The classic military-style top-loading design keeps your belongings secure. The snap closure is compatible with most padlocks for added security. Made from 100% strong cotton canvas, it's built to withstand the rigors of any adventure. This bag is incredibly durable and long-lasting. Whether you're camping, hunting, fishing, or backpacking, it's large enough to hold everything you need. Ideal for adults and teens alike. Order your Farm Blue XXL duffel bag with confidence. It's backed by our 1-year warranty. Get yours today. What we like? This extra-large bag is perfect for storing lots of items. The secure top-loading design keeps everything safe. If you need a massive bag for camping or moving, this is your best bet. What people say. Tough, durable. The material is super strong and its size is enormous. Thick material, good stitching, huge size. Exactly what I needed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.